Welcome. From me is a XIAOMI Mi 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And once it's open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is press power key and volume down. You'll get this animation. And if you're doing this for the first time, you will have a little bit pointer to the functionality of a scrollable screenshot, so you can test that out right now. Once you tap on it, automatically starts scrolling in. You can also tap on it to stop it and move it yourself however far down you want. Once you're satisfied with however far down it went, you can click on done and it will start processing, and as you can see, it will capture a much longer screenshot. From there, tap on save, and there we go. So that is one way of capturing a screenshot, and another one is by basically pulling down the notification panel and tapping on the shortcut for a screenshot right over here. Same thing as holding the power key and volume down. And now both of those screenshots can be found in our gallery and albums and screenshots right here. As you can see, there they are. There's one, and then there's the other one. So that's how you would capture screenshots. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.